Hello all. Today we are going to discuss the positive inotropic activity of cardiac glycoside using the frog methods and the pigeon method. So as you know, cardiac glycosides, particularly digitalis, it is used in the heart failure as it blocks the sodium potassium ATPases and produces the positive inotropic effect, and thereby it helps in relieving the patient from heart failure. So let's see how this method is carried out. So first method is the frog method. So the method is adopted by the US Pharmacopoeia 10 and it is of 1 hour. In this case, the healthy frogs weighing about 20 to 30 grams were selected from the cold storage room. Then 1 hour before the assay, the weight of the animal were recorded and they were placed in the wire cage with a water depth of 1 centimeter. The doses of digitalis was calculated so that the approximate 0.015 ml per gram body weight will be injected. Then after the glycosides injection were made into the ventral limb sac of the frog. 1 hour later the injection, the animals were petted and the heart removed and examined. So systolic arrest of the ventricle and widely dilated atrium indicated the typical result. So calculation of activities in terms of international units were made from the percentage of dead animals in the test group versus those in the group received in the international standards. In the next method, that is Pigeon method, this method was also introduced by Hanslick in 1929 and it is adopted by the USP 17. So in this test, the intravenous cardiac glycosides were, when administered to the pigeon, it produces the emesis. So in this case, actual test, adult pigeons were taken whose weight was 300 to 400 gram, and then the glycosides were injected into a suitable wing vein in the auxiliary region, and vomiting occurs within 15 minutes in regarded as positive results. If the vomiting occurs after 15 minutes, within 15 minutes, it is considered as a positive results. So 2 doses of test solution and standards are injected and percentage of vomiting pigeon registered. These 4-point assay allow calculation of ED50 value and of potency ratio compared with the standard. So this is a simple method to test the positive inotropic effect. Thank you for listening.